This is Bloodclaat being used to express different emotions. And this is not just vulgarity. This is just expressing the colorfulness of the Jamaican vernacular.
Bloodclaat. Bloodclaat is a wicked muscle contract, this, you know. Bloodclaat. Me can't believe the dog get drop out, so. In getting surfy ticket, and my bloodclaat one boy that, you know. It's a bullfest, this to Bloodclaat. About 50 man there and go 10 gal. Bloodclaat, my youth. You know, see the man under the banana tree without no head. Bloodclaat! Bloodclaat! Me catch the cash pot! It's a ital iron eye order. Or the bloodclaat if you put pork gravy pan iron eye ital. Fire! Alright. Enough for this bloodclaat.
Thanks for watching, and do have a tremendously Bloodclaat night.